So I have already created my layer, and now select the text tool, left click, and now type your text. Control A to select all text. I'm going to change the color, left click here to white. Press OK, and now double click here in the font size, and now let's type, for example, 350. So I think I will go with 400 and then make it bold, left click here. And now select the alignment tool, make sure the align is relative to the image, and now let's align it horizontally and then vertically. And now an easy way to add an outline to text is to go to Filter, Light and Shadow, and then select Drop Shadow. In the X and Y, as you can see, the chain icon here is linked. Double click in one of the numbers and then type 0, press Enter. Decrease the blur radius all the way down. For the color, you can change any color you want. I'm going to leave it to black. For the opacity, increase it all the way up. And now you can increase the grow radius to increase the outline. So for example, here the grow shape is circle. By left click, you can select square. As you can see, the edges here, the outline changes. And now let's select diamond. So here it is. And now I'm going to bring it back to circle. And now as you can see here, if I increase all the way up, the maximum is 100. Even if I double click to select it and then type 150, the maximum is 100. So if you want to increase the outline further, so I'm going to press OK to confirm. Make sure to uncheck the merge filter, press OK. And now let's go back, filter. And then I'm just going to click on ratio drop shadow. It will ratio my filter. Left click on the presets. And now I'm going to left click here. It will use the same outline I used here. So here, as you can see, the X and Y are on 0. Grow shape, I can change it, for example, to square. Opacity 100. Grow radius, it's 100. And now let's, for example, change the color. I will change it to this blue here. Press OK. So here it is. Press OK. And now, for example, since it is a text layer, you can still change it. I left click on text, double click. So for example, I will type Gimp. So as you can see, it kept my outline. And now you can also change the outline, the color or the size. Just left click on the FX icon here. At the left here of the text layer, left click. And now we have our two drop shadow filters. Double click on one of them. And now, for example, this one selected the black one. And now let's say, for example, I will decrease the radius. Grow radius, so here it is. Press OK. And now if I select, for example, this one here, the bottom one, the same. Let's select this one here, the top one. So this is the blue one. So let's say, for example, I'm going to decrease a little bit. And now I'm going to change the shape to diamond, the grow shape to diamond. And now press OK.